This might be my next favorite. Kamusta YouTube? Welcome back to Sneaker Stories, and for today's catch-up, we will be talking about the New Balance 991 V2 made in UK in the Cuban Sand colorway. If you have watched my other episodes, you know for a fact that I was on the hunt for the 990 V6 Dark Camo Incense colorway. When we went to Korea, it was on top of my list. In fact, just that model alone, I think I'll be all good for the whole trip. I went searching for it. I went to New Balance Myeongdong, Seongsu. I even went to Kith, but no luck. They only have the basic colorways. I think that was the sign for me to just really let it go and move on. And then I saw the 991 V2 made in UK in the Cuban Sand colorway. This model changed my mind. I finally let go of the 990 V6 and got this instead. And I think I made the right choice. It was something different from what I usually buy, and the colorway is easy to style. The best part, the price. We'll get to that later. I initially bought the A6 Gel Nimbus 10.1, but that's for a different sneaker story. You know, in my honest opinion, I think South Korea is the best place to buy sneakers. One, they're affordable over there. Two, I think they're pretty much updated. Actually, I think that goes for all the sneakers available. I never had a made in UK sneaker because they're not widely available here in the Philippines. And we all know for a fact that they're very expensive. They look good though, but very expensive. But when I checked the conversion, immediately I said, let's do it. There are lots of colorways to choose from. The gray, the black, the navy, the dark navy, and my personal favorite, the after midnight. You know what? A lot of sneaker YouTubers said that this was a great upgrade from the version 1. I wouldn't know because I passed on those. But so far, I think these look better. What do you think? Surprisingly, my wife liked it, especially the colorway. So I didn't hesitate, tried it on. I even got a souvenir t-shirt to go with it, paid, and went on my merry way. Oh yeah, I was supposed to get me one of those customized t-shirts, but apparently it will cost another sneaker, so I just got the regular one instead. This one. What I liked about the 991 V2 is the silhouette. It's very sleek, not too bulky. No wonder it's popular in Japan and Korea, maybe the whole world. It's definitely saying I'm a sneaker collector than a sneakerhead, and it's definitely saying I'm stylish than a hypebeast. Do you think so? I love the suede, but by the looks of it, it will definitely get ruined, especially if you don't put protection on this one. Oh yeah, it's light, but definitely not heavy as it looks. The 991 V2 comes with this lace and another dark one, but it's already on my 990 V6 Olive. In the US website, before it used to be $250, now it's $270. If you convert it to Philippine pesos, it's around 16,664. But I got this in South Korea, which is around 309,000 won, more or less 12,860 pesos. And you know what? I saw this when I was in Manawa Bay outlet in Auckland, New Zealand. It was from 350 New Zealand dollars down to 250, which is around 9,000 pesos. Wow, what a deal. For made in USA and UK versions, I usually get a 9.5, which is my true size. But for this one, the staff actually suggested to get a size 10, maybe for a roomier feel. But if I were to choose, I would get a 9.5 for a better fit, but 10 isn't that bad at all. This pair, or like any other sneakers, I think you need to break them in, just so your feet can get used to the cushioning. I've had this for almost a year now and it's getting comfier every time I wear it. The size 10 is indeed roomy, very comfy, and my pinky toes doesn't get hurt. So good job, NB Korea staff. If you're curious about the 991 V2 and it's within your budget, or maybe you're lucky enough to go to an outlet and find them over there with a great price, definitely go for it. I promise you can't go wrong with this one. There are lots of great colorways to choose from that would perfectly fit your personality or style. They look great with pants or shorts. It gives off that cool dad shoe vibes. And if I may add, please get those protective sprays and suede cleaners. These are dirt magnets. And yeah, what do you think? Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next.